Today I'm going to show you how to clear the error caused by a jammed printhead lock on an Epson Workforce 7720. Rather than just toss it out or take it to an expensive repair shop, all you need to do is this simple repair. Keep watching to find out how quick and easy this repair really is. Hi, I'm Steve Moret. Welcome to my channel. After almost 40 years in engineering and a lifetime of designing, creating, or repairing things, I get just as excited today as I did back when I was a kid, every time I get a chance to work on something. From computers to cars, welding to woodworking, and anything in between. Never been afraid to tackle something new. So if you like this video and you'd like to see more, please be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. So today I come out to my Workforce 7720. Haven't run it in a while. Went to run a purge page, and as soon as I started it up, got this error screen. Had this happen a while ago, and I can tell you what caused it. It was preceded by a loud kind of crunching, grinding sound. And what's happening is there's an issue in the carriage release. Okay, what the problem is the lock did not release for the carriage. You'll see down here there's the little carriage release lock, and this is stuck in the up position. Okay, what happens is over time you get ink and things down in there and it binds that. So what you got to do is you have to lubricate it. Real simple. I've got a little silicone lubricant spray here, some Prestone, so I'll be using that. Just a little squirt in there. That should lubricate it and allow it to move more freely. Be careful, you don't want to be getting this all over in there. Move that out of the way. Okay, so now I can reach back in there and the lock's out of the way. It should move freely from here on out. So let's reset the printer and see if we have any luck. Okay, let's turn it on or turn it off. Recycle it, see what happens. And as you can see, error is cleared, ready to print. There you go. If you like this, click like and subscribe. There's going to be a lot more of these coming along. Thanks again for stopping by.